Subscribe to Technical Coder and hit the bell icon to watch latest programming videos first. Hey, what's up people, this is Technical Coder here, back again with another video. So in this video we're gonna show you how to join two different clips and at the same time. How to join these two videos that it will run continuously one after another. So we have taken the first clip. Let's take the same clip and pick it and drag it and place it here. Okay, let's remove this gap and you can see the video has joined. And if you place the cursor here and if you play it, the video is running. Hey, what's up people, this is Technical Coder here, and this is sample video number 2. I will see you in the next episode. Till then, bye bye. Peace.
He's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely loner, shaking, breathe, mind at night. At no.